In this demonstration, ito-demo ko sa iyo yung wholesale user group, assign product to wholesale group with special pricing, category for special products. Sa category, mag-create tayo ng category and then i-assign natin yung products with special price. And then last, ito-demo ko yung vendor dropship module, how it works. Magtitest ako ng products dun sa one of my server, which is a WordPress and WooCommerce, and then mag-create ako ng order, and then let's see kung yung orders is magre-reflect dun sa ating Magento admin. Okay, so first, okay, wholesale user group. So yung wholesale user group is nandito sa customer, manage customer groups. Okay, so sa customer group, meron tayong general, retailer, and then wholesale. So sa wholesale, pwede tayong mag-create ng products and then i-assign natin yung mag-assign tayo ng special price for each group name. So for example here, sa catalog, okay, sa catalog, let's say mag-create ako ng products. Okay, simple product. Okay. So dito sa sa prices tab, okay, as you can see here, pwede tayo maglagay ng let's say fixed price, retail price. So for example, okay, 22.99. And then sa group price, let's add tayo ng group. Let's say wholesale. And then maglagay tayo ng let's say 10.99. Okay. So ito yung settings sa pag-assign ng special price for a specific user group. So for example, ang account ko is wholesale. So once na nag-login ako sa website and tinignan ko itong product na to, so ang makikita ko instead na retail price which is 22.99, ang makikita ko is 10.99 kasi nga wholesale account ako. So dito na rin isa-set yung wholesale price for specific wholesale users. Okay? So sa next demo, ay papakita ko yung assign product to wholesale group. Yeah, pinakita ko na to. So sa next demo, mag-create tayo ng special ng category. So let's call this special category for wholesale groups user.